how to create a text animation using Canva. Once you're on Canva, you select video. Then you go to landscape video, go to text, then for me I'm going to use flame as my text. Put in caps, increase the size, place it at the center. You can change your font. In this case I'm going to use Anton. And again increase the size. Increase the size. That's much better. Put it at the center. Now you can change the color of the text from black to white. Now select elements, type the word blur. Going to select this one. I'm going to increase the size. Going to drag it to the left. Ensure you leave this section. Drag it behind the text. Go to animate. Create animation. Hold shift and drag it from left to right. Go to movement styles. Select steady. Ensure the speed is on minimal. Select done. And here's the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about Canva.